on the profound significance of our journey together. Our why, how, and what are more than just guiding principles. They are the compass that steers us towards a life of purpose. As we mark this milestone, let's remember that our purpose extends beyond ourselves. It's about the positive change we inspire, the lives we touch, and the legacy we build together. By staying true to our why, how, and what, we ensure that our journey remains meaningful and our achievements enduring. Let us continue our journey with purpose, dedication, and a shared vision. Happy anniversary to all of us. Good morning and have a happy week ahead.
Okay, good morning. Happy 67th anniversary. So wala nga itong mga madams. So ako na lang si Little Madam. So